Hello my friends, in this tutorial we will learn how we can download a free VPN for Google Chrome. Simply guys, go to your Google search engine and type VPN Chrome extension. Okay, don't worry about the link, I will put the link in the description below. Okay, set up VPN. Okay, now we have set up VPN, lifetime free VPN. It's a VPN for Chrome. It's a VPN free VPN extension for Google Chrome browser. Okay, click add to Chrome as you can see. Okay, add extension. Wait a moment. It's downloaded. Okay, it's finished. That's it. The VPN extension will be added to the Chrome browser. Okay, as you can see here in the top right corner, set up VPN. Okay, here you should have to create an account. Okay, simply click create an account, check all the term and policy agreement. Okay, to register, let's start. Okay, now we have a free VPN account. You can here select any country you want to use. As an example, I will select France. Wait a moment. Now I will connect it to France VPN. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also guys, if you want to disconnect, simply click in the setup VPN icon in the top right corner and click disconnect. Also, if you want to connect in the other country, also you can choose here any country you want. That's it. Thank you guys.